In the 17th century BCE, Egypt faced one of its greatest challenges when the Hyksos, a foreign people from Western Asia, invaded and occupied the Nile Delta region. The Hyksos, whose name means rulers of foreign lands, leveraged superior military technology, such as horse-drawn chariots and advanced bows, to establish their dominance. They brought new techniques of bronze working, as well as innovations in agriculture and textile production, which had a lasting impact on Egyptian society. The arrival of the Hyksos marked the beginning of the Second Intermediate Period, a time of political fragmentation and decline in Egypt. The native Egyptian rulers were pushed to the south, where they established their capital at Thebes. Among these rulers was Seqenenre Tao, who initially began the struggle against the Hyksos but met a violent end, possibly in battle. His son, Kamose, continued the campaign with significant fervor, initiating military expeditions that aimed to expel the Hyksos from their stronghold in Avaris. However, Kamose's efforts, while valiant, were not enough to achieve complete victory. The mantle of leadership was then passed to Ahmose I, Kamose's younger brother. Ahmose I ascended to the throne around 1550 BCE and proved to be a formidable leader and tactician. He consolidated power by fortifying Thebes, rebuilding its economy, and training a disciplined army capable of challenging the Hyksos. Ahmose's mother, Queen Ahotep, played a crucial role in maintaining morale and support for the war effort during the early years of his reign. Finally, Ahmose launched a full-scale assault on the Hyksos stronghold of Avaris. The campaign was arduous, marked by fierce battles and strategic maneuvers. This decisive victory marked the end of the Second Intermediate Period and the beginning of the New Kingdom, a Renaissance era of Egyptian power and culture. Ahmose's forces succeeded in breaching the city's defenses, forcing the Hyksos to retreat northward into the Levant.